Hello friends, welcome to Stories in Color. Today we are going to draw a gentle elephant, the largest land animal in the world. Elephants are strong, smart, and full of character. Let's start drawing. Start by drawing a large rounded head. Add two big ears on each side. Elephants' ears are huge and help them stay cool in the hot sun. Draw the long trunk coming down from the middle of the head. The trunk is flexible and can grab food, drink water, and even give a friendly pet. Add two gentle eyes above the trunk. Elephants have very expressive eyes. They can show happiness, curiosity, and even kindness. Elephants use their trunks for almost everything, from drinking water to picking up tiny objects. Draw the big strong body under the head. Add four thick legs to support the elephant's huge weight. Make sure the legs are round and strong. Draw a small tail at the back with a little tuft at the end. The tail helps elephants swat away flies and insects. Now let's color your elephant. Use warm shades like light green, soft brown, or beige. Color the ears, trunk, legs, and tail carefully to bring your elephant to life. Well done! You have drawn a majestic elephant, strong and kind. If you enjoy drawing this elephant, please subscribe to our channel and click the bell to join our creative family. Your support helps us create more fun and colorful animal stories every week. See you next time in Stories in Color.